Right, another short and sweet one today. The last 2 episodes plus this one should make 1 full day, and that'll take us to 16 days of work so far. Bailey's busy on the floor prepping a piece of plastic bottle for chewing. Okay, I've thrown on the old pipes for now. They're obviously going to get replaced, but I just wanted to use them because of the form that they've got to figure out exactly where they go. I'm trying to find some decent photographs, and when I come to replacing the pipes, I'll detail that a bit more. Anyway, over here, today's project is to take these smoke damaged and slightly scruffy looking exhaust pipes and make them look fresh. So, bit of blasting, bit of painting. I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. I'm not going to bother boring you with all of the piece in between. The high temperature paint for here costs about $150. This should just be a bit of blasting and cleaning and polishing. We'll see how we go. All right. Slow going, making some progress. That's practically the finished result as it stands at the moment for the uppers. Remember, the lower's got to be done in black, but the uppers sort of a little bit of silver on the body, and trying to degunge this as much as possible. The reality is, I think in the future we'll have some aftermarket JL pipes maybe, all right? Oh, but at least it'll be able to go roadworthy with these. Okay, so I've got the high temp primer on. It's a high build as well, so it does fill in fairly well. It's pretty smooth. I did sort of rush it as usual, get a couple of little runs here and there. I don't know if I can be bothered to try and sand them out or whatever. I'll just go for the black next and see how she looks. Okay, that's what we've got. Cool. It's got its own little thinner. It's got its own little primer. Anyway, just crack on.
Good. Supposed to be finished hours ago.
Yeah, you were saying, darling?
You said 2 hours.
I got that.
Yeah,
a little bit wrong.
Later. Quite enjoy them, getting the Sundays back.
It smells funny, this one does. This and the primer, there's a whole load of stuff settled at the bottom.
Right.
Look at that.
See that?
See it?
Like sludge.
Like sludge, yeah. But give me a minute or two and I'll stir it all up and it'll be nice and thin. Pressure kicks in.
Yeah. Get in there.
In terms of mixing it in,
yeah,
it does take a minute. It smells funny, this one.
You said that.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, you recording me now?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. All right, sorry.
Everybody can listen how many times you repeat yourself to me.
A lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Go.
Go. God, that's fucking awkward. You're not recording that, are you?
I did.
Me spilling shit everywhere.
Just edit it.
Well, so far, every time I fucked up and we said we were going to edit it out, we don't.
No. Hence your DIY.
DIY, yeah. Not professional. Exactly 10%.
Right.
Like that.
I was going to say that was...
That was very precise. Well done, Dave.
It was.
Yeah.
I was thinking if you need more rugs, I'll just go shopping and then you can have some t-shirts.
Thank you. Right. You have to obviously catch the next bit at a bit of a distance.
Right. God, it does stink.
Before you say anything, it's not me. Right, oops.
Okay.
Okay, so that first coat, I didn't go crazy with it. However, there must be too much thinner in that because if you have a look at what's happened here,
Crackle effect.
yeah, terrible. So I'm just going to put it on neat. It does say on the instructions 10% at the most. So I'll see what a thick coat goes over like. Okay, what is it now? 4 o'clock. We've been doing this about 6 hours. And what we're going to show for it. All right, reasonably happy with these. Gave these a bit of a wire brushing and different sort of more of a coarse wheel and a thin coat of lacquer just to protect it. So they're okay. These have come up not too bad. These chrome covers really have sort of seen better days. All right, the Pour 150 or whatever it is, this high temperature heat paint. What I just learned is always read the instructions, because the instructions would have told me that the primer has got to set for 24 hours before you go near it with the black stuff. The black stuff needs 4 hours between coats. All right, I'm used to working with 2-pack, takes about 15 minutes between coats. So all this separation is due to that. So it looks like next weekend they'll be blasting this off and going again. All right. Good job. Good job. $150 buys you lots and lots of high temperature paint and primer and thinner.